What happens if your house gets torn down by a tornado? That's a good thing to think about, isn't it? First off, you're gonna need an emergency kit, which I have prepared for this class, so you may take an example from me to you. Second of all, you're gonna need to memorize phone numbers of family members or friends in an environment that was not affected. And third of all, which I'm not sure is talked about much, will be your social skills. You're going to need social skills so you can socially interact. After I show you the start of my kit, I'm going to explain to you why these three things are necessary and important. All right, now to start off, we have the backpack. This backpack is from the Ready store in case there is an emergency. If you don't already have one, you need to go and get one. And I'm about to show you what I have put inside of this backpack just in case anything happens. First off, if you don't have a whistle, you're not doing it right. Get yourself a whistle now, because in case you get stuck in a sewer drain, or in case you get stuck in a tunnel or underneath some debris, you need to have a whistle so that people can hear you and come to the rescue. Second of all, there are these little nutrient blocks that last for as long as you would like them to last, and they are this has 3,600 calories in it. So that's by Datrix. If you don't know what Datrix is, it's just these little food bars that you can buy. Put these in your pack, you're all set, because food is a necessity. Second of all, there's some emergency drinking water you can also save for as long as you want. If you would like to get water bottles and replace them every month or so, you can do that too. I got the emergency drinking water. That I will probably replace yearly, just in case, because water can grow bacteria. But water is also a necessity, so you're gonna need it. Third, I have some knives, just in case I need to cut myself out of something, or I need to go hunting, or I get attacked by a large animal while I am on the road, on my feet, in the same shoes and the same clothes that I've been wearing for a while. Speaking of clothes, my fourth items are ponchos. There are ponchos, and I have packed several ponchos because they're highly recommended in case it starts raining and you get cold. You could die from the temperatures, so I would like to use these ponchos just in case. Next, I have some emergency survival blankets. These blankets kind of look like tinfoil because they're going to keep you warm in case you need to sleep on your way to the closest store to call your family, or in case you are stuck outside for a while. Next, I have a mini tent you can pitch, so you could cozy up in your blanket and your poncho and your tent and survive. It reads, first, locate a good level place to set your tube tent. Second, spread the floor out as illustrated and place the sleeping bags or other gear inside to hold the sidewalls in place and to anchor down the corners, which I actually need to get a sleeping bag, but I thought the blankets would probably be good enough because hopefully we're not going to be on our feet by ourselves for too long. So there is that. Next, there's some hand warmers in case it is really cold or it is winter and you get caught in a blizzard. Here's some hand warmers you can use to warm yourself up. Next, I have some flashlights. Next, I have a flashlight that comes with some batteries in case it is dark and you cannot see. Here's the flashlight you can turn on, you can turn off, and that will help you to get to where you need to be in case you're up traveling all night or you're stuck in a tunnel. Next, I have some glow sticks in case the flashlight dies. I will be able to use the glow sticks to see. This is for safety precautions only if the flashlight dies. That's why I'm not going to use the flashlight until I need it. And that's why we have the batteries. And also, there's face masks in case you get caught in the time of corona and the virus breaks out and there is a bunch of debris around you, or sickness or illness or anything that can make you sick, like chemicals, in case there's a chemical explosion. And that will go. This one I thought was really cool, so I saved the best for last. It's a compass and it's a whistle. So I have this whistle, but I have a compass in the whistle. So yeah, just in case there's any biological emergencies, nuclear emergencies, water. I have water, I have food, I have a tent, somewhere to go. I have the contacts saved, numbers memorized in my head, who I can call in case I find a store or something like that to save myself with. Yeah, this is my emergency pack in case anything happens. I hope you liked watching the video, and I hope this helps you know what to pack in case of an emergency. Much love to you and your family, your friends. Peace out. Last but not least, the skill set of social interaction. If you have a skill set of social interaction and you come off like you're harmless, people are more likely to trust you. And if you have a bigger group, then you have more people to help you gather supplies and help you hunt and fish and gather water and build teepees just in case of anything that happens to you. You will have more people to be around you to help you survive. If there's more people, there's a bigger survival rate, and a bigger survival rate means you're going along with it. So be sure to stay fond of people and to treat people with respect and loyalty, and then in times of danger, you will be a little bit safer. When this video reaches 1 million views, I will be giving away a Ready backpack for free. You don't have to buy it. I'll pick one person who comments to give the Ready backpack away to for free. So if you want to be prepared like me and you don't have any money, you better get this video sent out, because you know you're not gonna pout. Also, it's almost Christmas, you guys. It's almost Thanksgiving. I'm super excited. Thank you for watching my video.